Chapter number 8, exercise number 8.1, trigonometry standard 10. Example number 10. Up to 9 we have done last time. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First of all, you have to state that is it correct or not. And second time, you have to justify, give the result, why it is correct or wrong. First, the value of 10a is always less than 1. 10a ની value હંમેશા 1 કરતા ઓછી આવે. That statement is wrong. Is it clear why it is? That in triangle ABCD is 90. આ તમારો B 90 છે. Now what is meant by tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side upon adjacent side. There is no relations between AB and BC. BC may be greater, BC may be smaller than AB, or BC is equal to AB. If it is 45, then these two are small, same. If it is 45 then less, then BC is smaller, AB is greater. At that time, 10A is less than 1. If it is more than 45, then AB is smaller, BC is greater. At that time, 10A is equal to greater than 1. So, it may be greater than 1, equal to 1, or less than 1. BC and AB ના અંદર કઈ સાઈડ મોટી કઈ સાઈડ નાની, that is depends upon this one. Okay, it is not like this way. The AB is always greater than BC. It may be BC may be greater, smaller, equal, whatever it may be. So this statement is false. Okay, 10A opposite side adjacent side, opposite side BC may be greater, equal, or smaller than adjacent side AB. So value of tan theta may be greater than, equal to, or less than equal. 10A 0 and infinite. 10A is greater than or less than infinity. Infinity સુધી થશે. For angle આપણા portions ના અંદર 0 to 90 degree છે એટલે મેં આ લખ્યું. In 11th standard, 12th standard, it may be others up to 360. Now, second question, sec A is equal to 12 upon 5. That is true or false? That is that is true. The given statement is true. Why it is true? Let us see here. આપણે અહીંયા સમજીએ. I have written reason here, but I will explain here. See here. In triangle ABC, B90, therefore that is your acute angle. B is greater, therefore this one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always greater than remaining two sides. Okay, sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side, so that is greater and that is smaller. That means sec A is always greater than 1. So that is 12.12 upon 5, that means 2.4. So it is a correct. Clear? Hypotenuse is always greater than adjacent side. So sec A is always greater than 1 because numerator is greater than denominators. Numerators means hypotenuse. AB is what is denominators? Denominators is always here. In this case, denominator is smaller, so that value is greater than 1. That is correct. Third question. The given statement is false as cos A is aberracious. That is your third question. The given statement third, cos A is abbreviations used for the cosecant of the angle, and that is wrong. That is for the cosec A. For cos A, it is a abbreviations of the sin A. Sin, cosine નું short form cos છે, આ નું short form તમારું cosec છે. That is wrong. Cot A is product of cot A and this. That is a totally wrong. False. Cot A is not product of A and cot A. Only if you write only cot A, cot, that is your meaningless. That is your meaningless. Now next question, last one. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. That means sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. That is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is 90 degree. That is your acute angle. Hypotenuse and opposite side. Opposite side is always less than the hypotenuse. Opposite side is always less than the hypotenuse. So it is less than the 1. While in this case it is now new topic. That exercise is over. Sin is equal to, last times we will see that sin 4 upon 3 is wrong. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. 4 is greater than 3. That is wrong. Okay. Sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side is always smaller than the hypotenuse. So it is 4 upon 3. That is 4 is not greater than 3. That means sin 4 of sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3. That is wrong. Sin theta is always lies between 0 or sin theta is always lies between 0 and 1, including 0 and 1. For theta is equal to less than or 90 for this one. Okay. Now new topic, we will start the new topic. Okay, trigonometry ratio for the sin of 45 theta. मैं તમને આગળ ફર્સ્ટ માં કીધેલું કે કોઈ સપોઝ હું તમને બધાને એમ કહું કે ભાઈ આ રીતે a b c ડ્રો કરી દો, અહીંયા 30 રાખી દો. Then find the ratio BC upon AC. It must be a 0.5. Okay, that means sin 30 is equal to 0 upon 5. This such types all the trigonometry ratio we will derive. We will derive for first one sin trigonometry ratio of the 45. Okay, now I have taken one triangle PQR. Q is 90, P is 45. P 45, that means R is also 45. For triangle PQR, you know that P plus Q plus R is equal to 180. R is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 45 is equal to 45. Therefore, R is equal to P is equal to 45. If two sides are PQR, this is equal to this. Therefore, that angle is equal to that angle according to the theorem number so and so of standard 9. Okay. So, suppose I have taken that one is your A. PQ is equal to PR is equal to A. PQ is equal to RQ is equal to 8. By Pythagoras theorem, for triangle PQR, Q is 90. Therefore, PR square is equal to PQ square plus RQ square. I have already taken here. Therefore, A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. Therefore, PR is equal to root 2 upon A. Root 2 upon A. Get it? Root 2 upon A. That is for your note actually. So, I have taken here આપણે આ લીધું. If it is A, it is a and it is a root 2A. That is 45 PQR. Sin 45, sin P is equal to sin 45 opposites upon hypotenuse. What is your opposite side? RQ upon PR. A upon root 2A. A cancel 1 upon root 2. So sin of 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. Similarly, cos of P, cos 45, existence upon hypotenuse, PQ upon PR, Adjacent A root 2 upon A 1 over root 2 sin cos of 45 is equal to 1. Tangent of 45 opposite upon opposite upon adjacent side, opposite upon adjacent side, PR upon PQ, PR upon PQ, A upon A is equal to 1. Cosec P hypotenuse upon adjacent root 2 A upon A root 2 upon A. Cosec P sec P hypotenuse upon adjacent root 2 upon A, so it is a root 2. That means sec 45 is equal to root 2, cosec 45 is equal to root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1, sin and cos 45 is equal to 1 over root 2. Cot P is equal to cot 45, adjacent upon hypotenuse, PQ upon RQ, A upon A is equal to 1. So it is your equal to 1. Get it? That is the trigonometric value for the sine of the angle 45. Now I will take the trigonometric value for the trigonometric ratio for 30 and 60. For 30 and 60. First of all, I will explain here. Suppose triangle PQR is your equilateral triangle. What is meant by equilateral triangles? If all angles are equal and all sides are equal, is known as your equilateral triangle. PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR is equal to A. That means Q is equal to R is equal to PQR is equal to 60. That PM is perpendicular to QR. આપણે હવે કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરીએ કે PM perpendicular to QR. That means PM becomes the median angle bisector of QPR and it is also altitude of this one. PM becomes altitude angle bisector of QPR as well as median of PQR. Side. This side is equal to this side. That is your 90 degree. That is your 90 degree. That is common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent according to the RHS. So, PM is equal to QM. That means PM becomes the median. Okay, that is not necessary. So, I have not written here. QPM, half of QPR 60 upon 2 is equal to 30. And તમારું કેટલું છે? That is your 30. QN is equal to QR upon that is your A. This one is A. That one is A. So that one is equal to QM is equal to A by 2 by 1. In triangle PMQN is equal to 90 as PM perpendicular. By the Pythagoras theorem, PQ square is equal to PM square plus QM square, A square is equal to PM square plus A upon 2 whole square, PM square, A square. What I have to do? I have changed this sign. આ સાઈડ ઉપરથી આપણે આ સાઈડ ઉપર લઈ આવ્યા એટલે a square minus 4 4 LCM 4 a square minus a 3 a square upon 4. Therefore PM is equal to root 3 a upon 2. Right? समझ पड़ गया? Now triangle PQR. PQ perpendicular to QR. M is equal to 90, Q 60, that one's 30. I have shown you here. So I have crossed this one PQM. આને કાપીને મેં અહીંયા લખી દીધો PQM. Q is 60. PM is equal to root 3 by 2. QM is equal to A by 2. That is your PM opposite side with reference to Q. QM adjacent side. PQ is equal to hypotenuse. And that value is equal to PM is equal to what? Root 3 by 2A, hypotenuse is A and that is your A by 2. Sin Q is equal to sin 60, opposite upon hypotenuse, PM upon PQ. Root 3 by 2 a upon 2 is equal to a. Is equal to a cancel, root 3 by 2. Now I will take for the cos cube. Cos cube is equal to cos 60. Cos 60 is equal to adjustance upon hypotenuse. Adjustance PQM upon PQ. QM is equal to a by 2 and that is your a. A by 2 multiplied by 1 upon a is equal to 1 upon 2. Cos 60. Then tangent of 60. Tangent of 60 is equal to what? Tangent of 60 is equal to opposite upon adjacent side. Opposite side is equal to PM. Adjacent side is equal to QM is equal to root 3 upon a upon 2 upon a by 2 is equal to root 3a upon 2 multiplied by 2 upon a. A cancel, 2 cancel. That means tan 60 is equal to root 3. Then cosec 60. Cosec 60 अथवा तो cosec of q. Cosec of q is a inverse of sine. Is a inverse of sine. Suppose you forget about, then write this here, hypotenuse upon opposite side. That means your sine cosec 60. Cosec 60. Cosec 60. Hypotenuse PQ upon opposite side PM is equal to, PQ is equal to how much? PQ is equal to a upon root 3 upon 2a, a upon 1 into 2 upon root 3a. A cancel, 2 upon 3, inverse of this one, 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3, cosec 6. Sec of q is equal to sec of 60. Sec of 60 is equal to what? Sec. PQ hypotenuse upon adjacent side. What is meant by hypotenuse? PQ adjacent side QM PQ a upon a by 2 is equal to a upon a, 2 upon a cancel. That is your 2. That is your 2. Inverse of cos 60. Inverse of cos 60. Now tell me what is meant by cot 60. Cot 60 कितना होता है? Cot of q is equal to cot of 60. Tell me what is the value of cot of 6? That is the inverse, root 3, 1 over root 3. It is a 1 over root 3. How it is? See here. So cot 60 is equal to adjacent side upon opposite side. What is your adjacent side? QM. What is your opposite side? PM. What is your QM? A by 2. Root 3 by 2a. A by 2 multiplied by 2 upon root 3a. 2a. 1 over root 3. I tell you. Okay? 1 over root 3. Now, before starting that sine of 30, I will tell you relations between sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Okay? Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. How it is? See here. Sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to what? Adjacent side upon hypotenuse. That means opposite side upon hypotenuse multiplied by hypotenuse upon adjacent side. Opposite upon adjacent side. So opposite upon adjacent side is equal to what? Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Similarly, cot theta is equal to what? Cos theta upon sin theta. That is the most important identities. આપણે સમસમાં બહુ વખત ઉપયોગ કરશું પ્રુવટેટ વખતે. How it is I have shown. Okay. Now we will find the trigonometry ratio of 30 degree. In triangle PQR, Q is 90, M is 90, Q is 60, P is equal to 30. Therefore, QPM is 30. Therefore, PM is equal to adjacent side root 3 upon 2. QM is equal to opposite side A by 2. And hypotenuse is equal to A. Three sides मर गए. Then you can find all trigonometry ratio. Sin T is equal to sin 30. Opposite upon hypotenuse. Opposite is equal to QM upon hypotenuse A by 2 upon A cancel 1 upon 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Sin 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. Inverse of it, what is? Sin no inverse, cosec. 1 upon 2 no, so that's 2. Cosec 30. Now sin cos P. Cos P is equal to cos 30. So PM upon QM, adjacent upon hypotenuse, PM upon PQ, that is your root 3 upon root 3 A upon 2 A cancel root 3 upon 2. That is your cos 30. Cos 30 no inverse, sec 30. So sec 30 is equal to 2 upon root 3. Where is it? It is here. Where is it? It is root 3 upon 2. It is here. Okay. Now tan of 30, tangent of P is equal to tan 30 opposite upon adjacent QM upon PM A by 2 root 3 upon 2A A cancel is equal to 1 upon root 3. Tan 30 no inverse cot 30. 1 over root 3 એટલે અહીંયા શું આવશે root 3. Is it clear? Cosec P, cosec C, hypotenuse upon adjacent PQ upon QM A upon A by 2 A upon A. We have done it here derivations. Okay. Tangent of 30 is equal to 1 over root 3 and cosec of 30 is equal to 1. Then we will make one tables in which we will put all those values, and how can it be memorized I will show you tomorrow. Just now that derivations we will complete it. Sec P, sec 30 hypotenuse upon opposite PM upon root 3 upon A 2A cancellations root 3 upon 2. And last one cot P is equal to adjacent upon opposite PM upon QM root 3A upon 2A by 2. Root 3, 2 cancel, A cancel, that is your 3. In tomorrow homework, you have to derive this trigonometry ratio for 45, 30 and 60. Repeat it and તમારે derivations એક વખત કરી લેવાનું. In generally it is not asked, but we should know how it is obtained. Is it clear?